Don't judge me, I know. But I made a quick panel on my bond machine. I was hoping to use it like to make a very simple top. Unfortunately, I stopped too early. And you can see there's a few mistakes in there where like the yarn snagged and it just got a little bit gappy. I'm thinking it should resolve with blocking. I'm trying to see if I can make something else with it. So I'm gonna try again. Hi and welcome to Not That Deep. Are we not that deep? But we also realize it's not that deep. I'm out here having finished the quickest and most rush project that I've had to do in a while. And this is it. So yeah, I'll give you a better close-up look in a minute. So honestly, don't ask why I decided lastminute.com to turn this thing into a top. I was going to wear it on the same day. I think it was a mixture of, I really liked the color and it was 100% cotton, so I thought it would be nice and breathable. Yeah, just a massive challenge that I thought I could challenge myself to achieve. And then I was up against the clock, like properly. But at the same time, I feel like it's given me a good use for this panel that I originally sort of had, wasn't really going to do much with. And it also got me to use my bond machine, which is always a win. So why not? I didn't have like another outfit planned. I probably could have rustled something together, but this, I basically went all in on trying to make this work. Found some errors. These bits don't look like they're secure, so I need to try and manually thread them. Potential inspo to see if I can salvage this panel and turn it into something. In the end, I decided I'm gonna have to add a strap to it of sorts to try and turn it into a top that would actually like sit right for the whole night. Then I started to think about how to make sure that it sort of goes around me quite comfortably. Obviously it's quite a small panel, so I thought actually a lace up back might actually be exactly what I need to give me some more room in there, but also make it fit to my body as I need it to. So I severely overestimated the length of this lace, so I'm just gonna chop it right now. So it's gonna be, I should really do this without it being on me, but got places to be and that. So I'm going to just tie that once. See that? And then hope for the best, really. I'm just going to chop this one here for now. Unnecessarily long. That's one batch. And then the other one. It was tiring, my arms are already tired. There we go, is that a similar sort of length? Okay, where's the other way? Ah, crap in my neck. There we go. Ooh, crap. So now I can just... Ah! Oh, it's gonna have to be an 8. Ooh, crap. I can barely see. But yeah, I think that's a little bit better. It was a bit of a mess. It's too long. Was it sensible to wait to the very last minute to get this done? No. But you know what? I will do it again. I think the pressure really helped me. We made it there eventually, and it was such a good night that clearly I managed to forget to take some actual proper pictures. So please make do with these. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and my chaotic journey to getting it done, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Thanks again for watching.